Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Agrico's World. In this video, we are going to discuss about some of the MCQs related to toxicology, which are asked in most of the competitive exams. Now, let's get into the video. Now, let's start with the first question. Which of the following is the synthetic derivative of Nereus toxin? Cartap, benzeltap, thiocycline. All the three are the synthetic derivatives of Nereus toxin. Nereus toxin is an insecticide of animal origin isolated from the marine annelid Lumbrinaris heteropoda. Which of the following is a miticide? The answer is dicophol. Dicophol is harmless to bees and so used for the control of mites, Acarapsis woodi. Strychnine is a poison against. The answer is rats. Bacillus thuringiensis is a stomach poison. The stomach poison is the one which when ingested acts on the digestive system of the insect and kills the insect. Chemical used against snail is. The answer comes here as metallaldehyde. The isomer of benzene hexachloride, which is more toxic, is gamma isomer, and it was isolated by van der Linden in 1912. Which of the following is a cyclodiene compound? The answer is endosulfan, endrin, heptachlor. All the three are the cyclodiene compounds. Which of the following belongs to the organophosphate group? The answer is monocrotophos. Which of the following is a derivative of actinomycetes? And the answer is spinosad. Aluminum phosphide is an example of a fumigant. Which of the following insecticide has systemic action? Here, dichlorophos, monocrotophos, dimethoate, all the three are the insecticides which are having systemic action. The systemic insecticide is the one which is soluble in water and is transmitted through the xylem vessels inside the plant body. Which of the following is not a carbamate insecticide? Aldicarb, carbofuran, methomyl, all these three comes under the group carbamate insecticides, but dimethoate is not a carbamate insecticide. The pyrethroid group of insecticide which is used in mosquito coils is alethrine. The first systemic inorganic insecticide is sodium selenate. Which of the following is an anticoagulant for rats? The answer is warfarin. Selphos tablets are used for the management of stored product pests. Which of the following fumigant depletes the ozone layer? The answer is methyl bromide. Methyl bromide is one of the widely used fumigant in quarantine stations. Sucking pests are effectively controlled by systemic insecticides. Which of the following insecticide belong to the neonicotinoids group? Here, thiomethoxam, imidacloprid, acetamiprid, all the three belong to the neonicotinoid group. Central Insecticide Laboratory is located at Faridabad. The insecticide that is safe to bees is endosulfan. Atropine is an antiferent. Which of the following is a synergist? Piperonal butoxide, sesamin, sesamolan, all the three are synergist. Spinosad is a both contact and stomach poison. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Agrico's World.